Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 update error, that is 0x80071160. So if you are receiving this error code while updating your Windows 10, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run Windows Update Troubleshooter. For this, go to the Start menu, then click on Settings, click on Update and Security. Now click on Troubleshoot, click on Additional Troubleshooter. Now select Windows Update and then click on Run the troubleshooter, and once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10 once again. Now still you are receiving the error message. In that case, you can go ahead and reset Windows Update components. For this, go ahead and copy all these commands. All the commands are provided in the video description, so copy it till here and then open Notepad and then paste all the command over here. Click on File, then click on Save As. You can save it to desktop and then you name this file as Wufix.bat, and then for Save As type, select All Files and then click on Save. Now close this notepad. Now go to desktop, make a right click on Wufix.bat file and then click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes to allow, and it will go ahead and first of all it will go ahead and stop all the Windows Update services, and then it will go ahead and restart all the services. So let the process complete. Here you can see it's starting all the services now, and once this is done, it will go ahead and close itself. So it's gone. Now you can go ahead and open Windows 10 settings and try to update your Windows. Now the next step is after this you have to go ahead and restart your computer actually. So once the command prompt window is closed, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10. Now the next step is to run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. So copy the first command, type in cmd in Windows search box, and then make a right click on Command Prompt tab, then click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes to allow. Now paste the command over here, hit the Enter key and let the process complete. Now once this is complete successfully, close this. Now open Windows 10 settings, go to Update and Security, and then you can go ahead and click on Check for Update, and you should not receive error message. Now still you are receiving the error message. In that case, you can go ahead and run these two commands. So again, type in cmd, make a right click on Command Prompt tab, click on Run as Administrator, click on Yes to allow, copy the second command, paste it over here, hit the Enter key, and once this scan is 100% complete, run the second scan. So once this is 100% complete, copy this command and paste it on the same window, hit the Enter key, and once the second scan is 100% complete, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows. Now the next step is to use Windows Update Assistant. For this, go ahead and copy this link, open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see Windows Update Assistant. Click on Update Now. Now run this exe file. Click on Yes to allow. This will load Windows 10 Update Assistant, and it will go ahead and check for update. If there is any pending update, it will let you know, and there you will see update or install option. Install it and then your Windows should be up to date. Now still you're facing the problem. In case nothing is working, you can go ahead and use Media Creation tool to update your Windows 10. Now on the same website, click on Download Tool now and then run this exe file. Then you will see this screen. Click on Accept, and then by default upgrade this PC now would be selected. So click on Next, and it will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now this process will take some time. Now after the download, before the installation, you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. Now when this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so you can go ahead and click on Install, and after the installation your Windows should be up to date and you should not receive this error message anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.